Alright guys, so most of this is going to be sped up. You can watch other videos on how to do things like cut herbs, how to fillet chicken, pound it out, stuff like that. So enjoy. It's going to be a sped up version tonight. So you saw me, I put the layer down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down spices. Here we go, here we go, here we go. So got our spices. We are going to do that. Now we're going to reserve some of it. We just want to kind of do a little dusting. Nothing crazy. No, we're not even going to rub. We're just going to do it like that. Now before I get too far ahead of myself, I want to take, this is already cooked bacon. I'm going to do rough chop on it. Ready, we're going to set that to the side. I didn't want to get too far ahead and be having to fuss with it later. With our cream cheese. There we go. So 3 bars are in there. What we're going to do now is we are going to put in some of our basil and oregano mix. Our chopped bacon. Little bit more of our spice. About a tablespoon of capers. So now pre-oven. We're going to heat this to 450 degrees. Get it preheated. 2 cups. 1 of mozzarella. And we're going to be doing a really coarse cut as opposed to a really fine, or fine right there. Alright guys, so we're going into an oven. Whoa, top rack. It's kind of in the middle, not super top, but definitely 450 degrees. Now it is time to take the temperature. So we break out our handy dandy thermometer, however you choose to pronounce it. I like to go thermometer. Remember, chicken, 165. Oh, 171, 180, 176, 167, 170, 72. All right, but it's not. There's more. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our little cheese. So we are el finito completo. So we got to get a little bon appetit skull and crossbones plate. We're going to get ourselves a little spatula. We're going to plate and serve. See you in a moment. Just cut into that shit like it's lasagna. So we're gonna cut into it, but we're gonna do it for another deal. I'll see you in a minute. There you go, guys. That is it. That's Doc's chicken lasagna, for lack of a better word. It is amazing. See ya. Love you. Bye.